Okay, welcome everyone. We are back to our video, and in this video we are going to do step 3. Now remember, step 2 was how to prepare the scene prompts, okay, where we dealt with combining the character descriptions with a cinematic scene description. So then for step 3 we would learn how to generate images in Canva. Alright, so let's proceed. So first of all, we go to canva.com. You can see I've already typed the URL here, canva.com, and then I press enter. Okay, so after typing in canva.com, you come to this interface. Alright, so now you can see that we are in the home page of canva.com. So what's next? You click on your Canva AI. You can see there on your top right, so click on it, and so you can see. So after clicking on it, you see this describe your idea, and I'll bring it to life. So you can see create a video clip, which is only for those with a pro subscription. So for now, we'll just go to create an image. So you will do that. Let's press create an image. Then of course you see style. So the style should be, let's see, realistic. So let's change the style. Alright, you can see either cinematic concept or cinematic. So let's go with cinematic. Alright, and of course the ratio will remain 16:9 since that's the size of your average TV or TV screen or YouTube video size. Okay, so what next? We go back to ChatGPT, and then we copy our prompt from there. So we're back in ChatGPT, so let's go to scene 1. Scene 1. Okay, so we highlight it, we copy, we go back to Canva, so now we are back in Canva. We can now paste it. So paste, and then we see it there. Okay, so after we paste it, we come here and submit. So as we submit, it will begin to generate an image. So here we can see the image generated. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so depending on what we want, we can decide to pick anyone. Since we want him sweeping, in the act of sweeping, I would think we'll pick this one. I'll pick this one. That's the fourth on the right. So let's download. You can see the download icon here. So you click on it, and then you wait for the download. So after it finishes downloading, so after it downloads, you go to, so after it downloads, you go to the next prompt. Go back to your ChatGPT, then your scene 2, you go back to Canva, and then you repeat the same cycle again. Paste it and then create and then submit. So let's wait for our images to generate, and then here we see it. So I can try to select anyone I want. Okay, so I select the best image that I want. So probably I'll go for this one. So once that's finished downloading, I go to my downloads folder. So when I go to my downloads folder, I rename the images. So this becomes scene 1, and the second one becomes scene 2. So you repeat the process for all your remaining scenes. Alright, just paste the prompt and follow the direction, and then you get all your 10 scenes together. And then I'll see you in video 4.